set up effective reporting, start by defining the key metrics and KPIs that matter most to your business. Use Monday.com's dashboards to visualize these metrics in real time. Ensure that your boards are set up to capture the necessary data accurately. This might involve creating specific columns or using formula columns to calculate important figures. Regularly update and review your dashboards to ensure they're providing the insights you need. And don't forget to take advantage of Monday.com's integrations with BI tools like Tableau or Power BI for more advanced reporting needs. I'm going to show you now some of the existing reports that we can set up directly within Monday.com. So as part of our sales process, we're capturing certain bits of information. So we're capturing values, we're capturing close rates, we're capturing timelines, etc. So we can build that in then to a number of different reports that can show that information for us. So this is an example of a pipeline analysis report, and it's showing us just headlines in terms of our current pipeline for the month, our closed won actual for the month, our total pipeline overall. And we can see also how we're doing in terms of our target versus our actual and our sales velocity as well. Revenue generation month on month, how that's looking again versus target. Revenue generated by team, so we can get an idea of that as well. Forecast by month, actual versus target by team, what a conversion funnel looks like. And again, we've got the ability to change that and filter it by team, by product, by individual, whatever we might want to do. Our closed and won lost deals. And again, we can dig into the information behind them. So I can see here quite a lot of lost deals. What are they? I can click into this and it's going to show me a filtered view of all of my lost deals. And then you may recall earlier on, we set up a feature to automatically have us capture the reason why it was lost. So here, right over here on the right hand side, you should see, yes, that was the one we set up. So initially on the previous ones, we didn't know why they were lost. Now we set up that conditional status change. So now we're starting to capture information as to why it was lost. So we're not just providing the headline information, we're also able to drill down into what's behind it and provide some context to it as well. Team performance in terms of who's performing well, what teams are performing well, how are we going from initial stage to discovery to proposal to negotiation, just giving us further insight into what's happening. Lots of different ways that we can present this information, and it's all to do with how we're setting up the boards from the beginning. In order to get this level of detail at our dashboard level, at our reporting level, we've got to have the right basic information in here. And this is where it's important that we get the setup right from the beginning. We're not limited to that though. We can also do things like collections overview. So I mentioned earlier on how one of the big advantages of Monday is that you can also do a handover from the sales team to the delivery team, and also to the finance team for collection. So when we close an opportunity, what that does is it also creates a task for the finance team to invoice and to collect the money from that customer. And then this dashboard then shows us what our collections are looking like. So now we've moved beyond just the sales stage, beyond just maybe the pure CRM part, and more into operations and finance part, all within the same platform, the same system. To me, this is a big advantage of Monday over other CRMs that are out there, is this ability to go from the sales process into the operations and finance in this example. So here's an example of a collections overview dashboard. We can see what collections are made, what collections are outstanding. Collections by month, we can get an idea in terms of how long it's taking us to collect the actual cash. We can see who has not paid us or why it's delayed, and just give further insight into that as well. So that's quite useful.